Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say thank you so much for joining me. My name is Makure Soga. I happen to be the graduate administrative assistant here at the Gallagher International Center. That happens to be the international office for the school called the University of South Dakota. I just want to say congratulations to all of you, those of you who have actually gained admission to a school here in the US, coming to further your education. I know that some of you have already received your visas, and then some of you have already arrived in the US. I want to say congratulations to all of you and welcome in advance. So this is what I have to tell you. My first thing is that try to explore every opportunity that has been presented to you. All right, I hope that by now most of you have secured your housing. If you have not and that you do not know how to go about that, I have done a video and the link is in the description. So this video is also about how to secure on-campus housing and then also how to secure off-campus, and I've actually tried to elaborate on the differences between the on-campus housing and the off-campus housing. So I would encourage you to also watch that video. Right, so I know most of you are thinking about how to survive when it comes to food, right? I have a video also on that. There is an opportunity here for you to get some free food stuff, and then if you don't know how to do that, the video is also in my description below. So try as much as possible to watch all those things. In case you have any question, you are welcome to put it as a comment in the comment section, all right? And I'll come to answer everything. You're also welcome to shoot me an email, and then I'll be happy to respond and help you to have a wonderful stay here in the US of A. All right, so when you get here, try as much as possible to get in touch with some of us so that we see how to build that wonderful big international family here in the US. Okay, so once again, congratulations to all of you. If you have any question, remember that your first point of contact will be your international office. And also, if this is your very first time of hopping on my video, it is a culture for everybody. If this is your first time, you try to hit the subscribe button so that in case we post any more content or more important videos, you will also be notified about it. So once again, thank you, welcome, and congratulations to you. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations to you once again. The youth family. Hey, the youth family. The youth family. Okay, bye-bye.